guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Designs by Stephanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have for you another wig unboxing review. It is this unit here. It is the Vella Vella collection wigs. It is in the style Cara, and it is in the color F4-30. So if you're interested in seeing the unboxing of this unit, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, before I get to the unboxing of this unit here, if you like this unit I have on here, just click up there in the little eye right up here in the top, and it will link you to the review of this unit. It will be the very first one. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing of Cara. This is another little short unit. Oh, the stock card is not attached. Very short unit, as you can see here on the stock card. Just your basic shortcut, and the F430 is one of the colors I like. I like 42730, but this one is just 430, which is more the redder than the blonde. This is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees in the event that you choose to flat iron it. Let's take a look at the unit. It is sewn into a circular at the top. There is no parting whatsoever for this unit. The color is distributed pretty decently. It's not like it has a whole bunch of it blotched into one place. So it looks like the hair was colored prior to doing the sew-in, so that it is distributed throughout. Some of them looks like they blotch it and just sewed in like one at a time, one color, next color, and it makes it look very blotchy. This one looks like the actual hair was actually colored. Okay, let's take a look at the inside construction. The cap is full at the top. It is the harder lace that's not all that soft, but they do have some a soft strip that they sewn across the very front perimeter of it to keep it from scratching out your hairline, which is good. You don't see that on a lot of them, but they do have it on this one, and it's very, very soft. So that will help with the friction against your hairline, and you won't have to worry about it pulling your hair out. We do have ear tabs on both sides of the unit here. One here and one here. There are no combs in the front. There are also no combs in the back of the unit whatsoever. And you have the two adjustable straps on each side of the unit, and you do have some adjustability in the cap where it actually gives a glow. That is pretty much it about the inside and the construction of the unit. If you're interested in seeing the try on, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, I have adjusted the straps on it, and they are in two sections side by side. They're not in the same one because it seems like this is going to be a smaller cap, and it's not going to have a lot of give to it. So let's try it on this. Okay, with my hair not being completely flat, it is riding a little bit. It does not stand in place, so I would say that you would have to bobby pin this down somewhat to stay in place, because it is sliding back because I have so much hair under here. That is not good for me, because I'm not braiding my hair down. But if you're braiding your hair down, I think you'll be alright. But mine is just balled up under here. But this is what we're getting straight out of the pack. It is your natural little shortcut, where it's all cut the same length all over in a short layered cut with a little more length left right here at the front for the bangs. Let's take a look at the back and see what it looks like and how well it's doing around my hairline. This is the back. As I said, the hairline feels like it's running short, or that my hair is pulling it up because my hair isn't flat. I don't know which of the two it is. Maybe a little bit of both, but it looks like the layers are cut pretty decently across the back. Color doesn't look that bad. And that is the crown of the unit. Probably not a lot that you can do with this outside of wearing it how it is designed to be worn. You may can, you know, swoop it to the side a little bit, what have you, but that's pretty much going to be about all you can do with this. It's a fairly inexpensive unit, so I think for what you're getting for the cost of it, I think it's not too bad. As always, I will list that information below about how much it costs. You have a few flat areas. To turn my flat iron on, I have never ever curled any of these non-human hair units, but I'm gonna see if it'll let me throw a few curls in it. I put it on 370 because it said up to 400. So let me just see what it does, because this is completely flat back here. It doesn't have any curls in it. Let's see if it burns out. No, it's not burning out. So I would recommend that your hair is completely flat when wearing this, because mine is not, and there's not a lot of room for a bunch of hair up on here, so it needs to be braided or wrapped around in a circle and then really tied down flat, because it is riding up, because there's no combs or anything to hold it in place. It is sticking up in the air where I put this flat iron in it, so I don't recommend flat iron these. It's my first time trying it and I don't like it. I think maybe you need not a flat iron, you might need an actual curling iron where you're curling it into a freaking circle, because now it has flyaways for real. Outside of that, I think it is okay for the amount of money that it costs. It's just a basic little pixie cut in layers. The color looks decent, don't look too bad. It looks like human hair for the most part. It feels a little silky, but that's it. Show you back again, and a lot of my hair comes out around the hairline. So again, thank you guys for stopping by. I wish you all happy holidays, and check below if you have any questions to see if it's answered there first, and if not, I'll get back with you as soon as I can in the comment section. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.